Density is defined as a substance's mass per unit of volume. It is an intensive property, which means that it will not change regardless of how much of the substance we have. To prove it, it's very easy. All we need is a liquid, a measuring cup, and a scale. And the procedure is very easy. All we have to do is measure out the volume in the measuring cup, then weigh out with the scale, and divide the mass by the volume to get the density. We can also make a graph to depict the density as the slope of the line. First, we have to declare the balance. This means that the balance will start at 0, even though we have the measure. So now all we have to do is start adding the volume. And report the mass in our graph. Okay, so now that I'm done measuring the mass, all I have to do is graph it, and I can get the value for density. From our graph, we can deduce the density to be 0.956 grams per milliliter. So to prove that density is in fact an intensive property, all we have to do is measure an X amount of volume and divide by the mass, and it should give me the same value that I got from my graph. In this case, since I tested for 100 milliliters, 150 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 250, and 300, I'm going to do for 350 and see what it gives me. So the mass for 250 milliliters is 224 grams. So if I divide that, I will get 0.926 grams per milliliter, which is pretty close to the 0.956 I got before.